Greetings. Today we're going to unbox the recently just released Redmi 4A. It was released together with the Redmi 4 and Redmi 4 Prime during the November 11 festival. So here we have the box. It writes 4A. Okay. So on the side you can see it's a Redmi 4A. It has a pink Mi logo at the top. Plus this is the specs of the Mi 4A. We have the 2GB and 16GB variant. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. So you can see the front bezel is white and it's all plastic. Unlike the Redmi 4, it's metal on the back and on the top it's plastic. This one is full plastic material from top to bottom, so it's pretty light. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So we have the manual. Okay, it's also sporting nano SIM and a micro SIM. Okay, so then we have the standard USB cable and the standard charger as well. Okay, so here's the SIM ejector pin. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. Okay, so for Redmi 4 series, pretty snappy. Okay, so the price is pretty relatively cheap. Okay, so we'll post it later on the web on our review. So here's the model for Redmi 4A, also running Android 6.0.1, running MIUI 8. There's a quad-core 1.4 GHz Snapdragon and a 2GB of RAM. Of course, 16GB of storage, and it's also expandable. Okay, so basically this is it for our unboxing of the Redmi 4A. So stay tuned for our review. So this is Mitch002 signing off.